Hey art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw Arnold from Hey Arnold. So first we're going to get started with our eyes. So on the left hand side, we're going to start by drawing in a sideways oval. We're going to leave quite a big gap coming over on the right hand side and replicating that. Now in the center of both of our eyes, we're going to draw in a small circle. And now moving across for the nose on the left-hand side, we're just going to draw in the letter C. Moving down for the mouth, we're going to curve this line up and over on the right. And then starting from that point, we're going to curve this line back around and then in on the left. Now from here, we're going to draw in a straight line that comes up. And then we're going to move across and do that 3 more times in total, leaving an even amount of space. Now let's draw on the head. So first let's draw on the hat in the middle. We're going to draw in a small curved line closer towards the right. And then we're going to close that off on the top with a nice big arch line. From corner to corner, we're just going to curve that across. On the top, drawing in a smaller arch line. And then we're going to draw in a straight line that comes down in the middle. Now from here, let's draw on the top of the head. So on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line around and then down towards our left eye. And then we're going to continue to bring that further across. Now moving back across on the right-hand side, we're going to continue to arch this line down on the right. And then on both sides, we're just going to draw in the letter C, curving that around. And we'll draw this backwards on the right. Now as we move in on the bottom, we're going to again flatten that out, curving that in towards the center. And then we're going to do the same as we move across on the right. Inside of our ear, we're going to arch this line out, back in. Now let's draw on our hair. So on the right hand side, we're going to curve this line up and over. We're going to bring this diagonal line in on the top. From that point, let's curve this line back down and then across again. Again, from that point, we're going to move down, bringing that in. And then one last time on the right hand side, bringing this line over and then in on the side towards our ear. And now in this open space, we're just going to draw in 2 curved lines, arching that over on the side. Let's move over on the left now and draw on the left-hand side of the hair. So we're going to curve this line further up towards the top, bringing that back down. Again, we're going to arch this line over, bringing that in. Now from that point, curving this line further down towards the left, arching that back in. Again, curving this line across, bringing that over. And then one more time, bringing that down and in towards the side of the head. And then like we did on the right, we're going to draw in 3 curved lines this time, arching those out towards the side. Now let's draw on our neck. So on both sides, we're going to draw a diagonal line that comes in, and then we're going to close it off with a straight line. From those corners now, we're going to draw in another diagonal line coming out on both sides. And then closing off the collar from that corner, curving this line back in towards the bottom of our face. Now we're going to move down, curving this line around and then in. And then on the left-hand side, we're going to arch this line back down again. Closing off our left arm, arching this line out and then down. And then stepping further in, we're going to replicate that again. Closing off the left hand, just curving this line around and then in towards the side of the body. And then now from here, we're just going to draw in a small curved line, closing off the wrist. Now let's draw on the right hand side arm. So we're going to start on the top, curving this line down. And then on the bottom, we're going to arch this line around and then in. On the top, we're going to bring this line out and then down, closing off the hand. And then underneath, just curving that line up. Now from here, closing off the top of the arm, we're going to curve this line out. And then on the top, arching that line further around and in towards the side. Closing off the side of the torso now, just bringing that line down on the top. And then to close off the shirt, we're just going to curve this line across. Now on the left-hand side, we're going to bring this line down for our left leg. And then we're going to do the same on the right, bringing a diagonal line across. Somewhere in the middle here, we're going to curve this line up in the center. And now from that center line, we're going to arch this line back across on the right. Stepping over on the inside for the rest of our leg, bringing this line down, ending it at the same height on both sides. And now in the middle behind, just another curved line, closing that off. For the ankles now, we're going to curve this line across again. And now for our feet, we're going to arch this line around and then back in. We'll do the same on the right. And that is it. That's how you draw Arnold. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.